Good day everyone, it's me Christian. Today we will be learning how to use Kahoot by using our Android phones or smartphones. Okay? Before we proceed in using Kahoot, first we go to the Play Store. After going to the Play Store, we gonna install the application of Kahoot. And after installing the application for Kahoot, open the application. After opening the application, you can see that there is a login and sign up section. If you already have an existing account, just click login, and if you don't have any existing account, just proceed to the sign up section. Since I have already an existing account, I click login. Okay? By going to the login section, you can see that there are various types of login to your account. But for me, I'm gonna use the Google account where I have only an accessible for that. These are the features of Kahoot. You can see that there are a lot of features here that we can use our discussions or report more interactive and making our quiz. Into discover part, these are the free template that we can use without any paying for. And also, we can also join into our reporters game discussion by entering the given pin and scanning the QR code. And by clicking into the create part, we can also that these are the several types of template in making our quiz or presentation more interactive. And also, one of the best feature here is the artificial intelligence, wherein you can also put your topic here and the AI will gonna make your quiz or personal quiz. But upon looking it, make sure that the generated quiz is applicable into your discussion. Now let's make a quiz using Kahoot. Okay? We just gonna click the create part and go to the blank canvas. Then click the blank canvas and you can already see that you're already in the quiz part. Okay? Before going back, just click in the back mode and input the title of your quiz. For example, the quiz that I wanted to do is about polynomials. And in here, in the theme part, you can choose anything that you wanted to use. But I wanted to use the standard for just only a demonstration. Okay? And I already click the standard and you can see here in the upper part, just click the save. Okay? Visible to. Since you are just only editing, just click the private because you are just only wanted to create into your personal way so that the student or some of the viewers cannot see what are the questions you wanted already to give to them. Okay, and after that, just add question. Then you can choose what kind of quiz or type of quiz you wanted to use. You can see here that the quiz, true or false, puzzles, type answers, slider, quiz plus audio and pin answer, and collection options, and many more. Okay, since I wanted to use the quiz, I just wanna click the quiz part. And in here, you can see that you can put image, questions, and add your answers in the given slide. As you can see, I've already done making my personal quiz. I already inserted an image that represents the given question. Okay, the question is, a polygon has all equal sides but not all equal angles. What is it called? And the given choices I putted here is square, rectangle, rhombus, and pentagon. And also, if you wanted to add more choices, you can click the star in the lower part, which is add more answer. Okay, you can add more answer in here part if you wanted to put more. And if you wanted to put the correct answer, just click what is the correct answer in here. And the correct answer here is rhombus. And just clicking it, you can see in here, you can activate or enable the given answer. Just click the correct answer and you can see here that already have a check mark. After doing that part, you just gonna click the done part at the upper part. Okay? Upon clicking it, make sure that the visible part is visible for everyone. And after clicking it, you can see in the upper part, just click the save part. After clicking the save part, you can see here now what are the features that can we use in playing this game. You can choose the learn part wherein you just only play as an individual into this game, or you can choose also the flashcards, test, and classic solo. And also in Kahoot session part, you can post this game into host live and assign the date when they can play this. Okay? For example, in clicking in the host live, you can see in what mode can we select in playing the game. We have here the classic, the lecture and team accuracy mode, and confidence and robot run mode. Since this is just only a quiz that can be used in our discussion, I just only click the classic mode and click start. Upon clicking the start part, you can see that the system already generated the pin that you can use and the QR code that the student will gonna scan.